Strike out what is not true in the following. Rajkumar Shukla was a sharecropper, a politician, delegate, a landlord. He was a sharecropper. A politician नहीं था, delegate नहीं था और landlord भी नहीं था. Described as being resolute. Answer: Rajkumar Shukla is described as being resolute because even after being told about the prior engagements of Gandhi at Kanpur and other parts across the country, he doesn't quit. He continues to accompany Gandhi everywhere. Furthermore, he persistently asks Gandhi to fix a date for his visit to his native district of Champaran. His resolution and determination finally impresses Gandhi, and the latter complies with his request. निश्चय बताया गया है क्योंकि कानपुर और देश भर के अन्य हिस्सों में गांधी जी की पूर्व प्रतिबद्धता के बारे में बताए जाने के बाद भी वे हार नहीं मानते। वे हर जगह गांधी के साथ जाते हैं। इसके अलावा वे गांधी से लगातार अपने पैतृक जिले चंपारण की यात्रा के लिए एक तारीख तय करने के लिए कहते हैं। उनका संकल्प और दृढ़ संकल्प आखिरकार गांधी को प्रभावित करता है और बाद में वह उनके अनुरोध को स्वीकार कर लेते हैं। राजकुमार शुक्ला was poor, physically strong, illiterate. He was not physically strong. He was poor and illiterate. वो गरीब और अनपढ़ था, physically strong नहीं था. Why do you think the servant thought Gandhi to be another peasant? आपको क्या लगता है नौकरों ने गांधी को एक और किसान क्यों समझा? Gandhi was a simple and humble man dressed in a plain dhoti. To the servant, he must have looked like just another poor farmer in this country. Moreover, he was accompanied by Rajkumar Shukla, whom they knew to be a poor indigo sharecropper. Thus, when the servant saw them both together, they mistook Gandhi to be another peasant. सादे और विनम्र व्यक्ति थे जो सादे धोती लंगोटी पहने हुए थे। लोगों को वे इस देश के किसी अन्य गरीब किसान की तरह लगे होंगे। इसके अलावा उनके साथ राजकुमार शुक्ला भी थे जिन्हें वे एक गरीब नील किसान के रूप में जानते थे। इसलिए जब नौकरों ने उन दोनों को एक साथ देखा तो उन्होंने गांधी को एक अन्य किसान समझ लिया। Who is the author of Indigo? Louis Penny, Louis Hay, Louis Fisher and Louis Edwards. Option C is the answer. Louis Fisher. What was the main problem of Champaran? Payment of compensation to British government, high rent of indigo farming, poor cultivation and famine. Answer is option A. Payment of compensation to British government. To go to Muzaffarpur instead of Champaran, first to understand the plight of indigo farmers, to get detailed information about sharecropper, to meet J.P. Kriplani, to visit Arts College, to visit Tagore Shantiniketan School. Option A. To get detailed information about the sharecropper is the answer. It was the capital of Champaran. Trihut, Motihari, Patna not mentioned. Option B. Motihari. Developed the synthetic indigo. Which country developed the synthetic indigo? England, Germany, Jambudvipa या जापान? Answer is Germany. How much share the people of Champaran had to pay to the English government in the form of rent? 3/20, 1/4, 3/4, 1/20. Answer is option A, 3/20.